Hello! So, ayan. Yung dalawang baby po ba is sa iyo lang na sperm or yung isa is sa partner mo? Wanna say hi, Maria?
Hi.
So, it's Maria's with us. So, so the simplest way for me to explain this to you guys is ganito, di ba? So, nakita na naman ninyo yung egg donor namin, di ba? So, Caucasian yung egg donor namin. Okay? So, puti yung egg donor namin, di ba? And si Jeffrey, ang asawa ko, is puti. As in, 100% Caucasian din as well. So, kung nagkaroon sila, or nabuo yung kanilang mga anak, obviously, yung magiging anak sana namin ay mga Caucasian, mga puti. So, kung just imagine Maria, right? So, Maria looks like our egg donor a lot. Yes, I agree sa inyo guys na talagang kamukha niya yung egg donor na...
Because I'm a girl.
ang egg donor namin na si Valerie. And if si Jeff sana yung biological father ni Maria, then syempre siguro blue eyes, blonde yung hair niya and all. So obviously, si Maria and Olivia, I am their biological father. So, gets? So yun lang yung pinaka-simplest way or simplest logic na pwede kong i-explain sa inyo guys. But genetically and DNA tested na si Maria at si Olivia ay talagang galing sa akin. I'm their biological father, but Jeffrey and I are their parents. So, kami po yung mga magulang nila, wala na pong iba. Say, bye-bye!
Bye. Make sure to like and follow, subscribe, share this video to another follower.
And say, love you guys!
Love you guys.
Bye-bye!